In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Parallax on Squarespace. Now, if you're looking to add a dynamic and modern touch to your Squarespace site, the Parallax effect is a great way to enhance your website's visual appeal. This subtle animation effect creates the illusion of depth as your visitors scroll, making your site feel more engaging and professional. Whether you're fine-tuning your site for your brand or just exploring new features, I'll guide you step by step through the process. Let's get started. First, head over to the Squarespace website and log into your account. If you want to save time, you can use the Continue with Google option. It's a faster way to log in if you have your Google account connected. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Next, navigate to your website dashboard. If you're managing multiple sites under the same account, make sure to select the site you want to edit. This ensures you're working on the correct project. From here, click on the Edit button. You can find this either on the main dashboard or within the settings of a specific page, depending on where you are in the platform. Clicking this will take you into the editing mode for your site. Now locate the section of your site where you'd like to add the parallax effect. Once you've found it, click on Edit Section. This will open up the section Settings panel, allowing you to make changes specific to that part of your site. Within the section settings, click on the Background option. This is where you can control the visual elements that appear in the background of your section. Once you're in the background settings, you'll see several customization options. Among these, look for the Image Effect setting. This is where the magic happens. When you open the Image Effect menu, you'll see a list of available effects. Scroll through and select the Parallax option. Depending on your version of Squarespace, this might be listed as the fourth option or explicitly labeled as Parallax. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. It might just be in a slightly different spot, so take a moment to look carefully. Once you've selected the Parallax effect, take a moment to preview the changes. Scroll through the section to see how the effect looks in action. This is your chance to ensure the animation feels just right for your site's design. If it doesn't look quite the way you envisioned, you can always make adjustments or try another effect. When you're happy with how it looks, don't forget to click Save. This step is critical because any unsaved changes will be lost if you navigate away from the page. By saving, you ensure that the parallax effect is locked in and ready for your live site visitors to enjoy. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled the parallax effect on your Squarespace site. This simple yet impactful feature can make a big difference in the overall experience for your visitors, helping your site stand out with a polished and interactive design. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.